अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर
वालेकुम अस्सलाम beta, how are you?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर
Walaikum Assalam beta, how are you?
Fine, alhamdulillah.
Okay, so what we are going today? What we are going to discuss today?
Sir, exercise
Okay, we are going to discuss exercises of which chapter?
of chapter 2.
Okay, that's
Two.
very good. Okay, mashallah. So
Chapter number 2. Sir, we have not done.
beta, mute everyone.
Sir, we have done chapter 2 exercises. Not section 1.
Are you sure we have completed that one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes,
Sir,
friends.
you have
Yes.
said to do section 1. So we
Oh,
have done a assignment and today we will start section 2.
okay, we will going to start section 2. Is it clear?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes,
before,
sir.
Yeah, oh, well, that's good.
Yes,
Before,
sir.
okay. So before we are going to start, as you know that this chapter is almost completed. Okay, only exercises are left. So give me a recap of this chapter. Who will give the recap of this chapter? A brief. Yes, Juwairiya bint Shahid. Will you give me a brief introduction of this chapter? Yes, Juwairiya, are you there, beta? Okay. So, Arisha Arshad, are you there? Arisha Arshad, are you there, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, very good. Will you please give me a brief of this chapter, what you have learned till now?
Sir, I have learned from this chapter about the conversation of the matter.
Conversation of matter.
No, conversation of the solid, liquid, gas, and physical and chemical changes also.
Islam. Okay, tell me brief of everything. Okay, from the first page, first of this chapter. Okay, what are desirable and what are the different changes? Give me a brief. Then we'll discuss the exercises soon. Fast, give me fast. Tell me fast, beta.
In this, there are types of changes, and there are main types of changes like natural, man-made, slow change, and fast change, periodic and non-periodic, physical and chemical change.
Okay,
A natural change is a change that occurs naturally, and a man-made change is a change that occurs due to the action of a human being.
that's good.
And a
And
slow change a slow change is a change that occurs over a very long period of time, and a fast change is a change that occurs in a short period of time.
okay, very good, mashallah.
And now periodic change and non-periodic change. Periodic change is a change that is repeated after a regular interval, and non-periodic change is a change that is not repeated after an interval,
Fixed interval. Okay.
fixed interval.
Okay, this is important to say. Fixed interval is anything. Okay, it may be short, it may be variable interval. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
And
Physical change and chemical change. A physical change
remember,
is a
this
change in which
this thing is very important. All of you students, please remember this is physical and chemical. This is the main and most important thing. Okay. Yes, continue, beta.
physical change is a change in which chemical composition of a substance is not is unchanged. It is not changed, and in chemical change, a
This is now
change in
changed.
which
You are saying it is not changed, and then you say it is get changed. What is
No,
this?
saying in a
Sir, can
physical change, a physical change is a change in which chemical composition doesn't change,
Okay,
and in chemical change is a change in which chemical composition is changed in a object.
okay, and
And a physical change is reversible, and chemical change is not reversible.
physical change is reversible and chemical change are not reversible. Beta, this you have to say like this. Most of the chemical changes are irreversible. Okay. There are some
Okay,
examples in which chemical change can be reversible. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay, beta. Yes, proceed.
For example, physical change is folding and cutting a paper, and in
Okay.
chemical change the example is curd of a milk, curding of a milk, and burning of a wood.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me other changes, desirable, undesirable.
Desirable change and undesirable change. Desirable change is a change which is useful to us,
Okay.
and undesirable change is a change that is harmful to us.
Okay. Very good. Yes, stop. Okay, let me give chance to another one. Yes, Alia Muhammad. Are you there, beta? Alia Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Beta, please you tell me what are the remaining changes: exothermic, endothermic, reversible, and irreversible.
Yes, sir.
I am saying, beta, some of the changes are left. Okay, so what are the leftover things, leftover changes? You tell me that. Arisha has told me some of the changes. Okay, still few changes are left. Okay, so what are the changes which are not discussed right now?
Sir, actually, I joined just 2 minutes before, so I don't know.
Beta, this chapter is discussed. Okay, almost it is completed. Only exercises are left to be discussed. And you should, what you have learned in this chapter, this you have to tell me. Okay, tell me about reversible and irreversible changes.
Okay, sir. Sorry, I was muted. A reversible change that can be reversed. Um, reversible change that can be reversed by reversing the conditions that brought about the change is called reversible change.
Okay,
An irreversible change is a change that cannot be reversed is called irreversible change. For example, uh, cooking of food.
okay, cooking of food. And yes, beta, continue. Arya Mohammed. uh, Okay, give me chance to another. Faria Javed, tell me first. What are the exothermic and endothermic change? Then I will discuss it. Okay, exercises.
Exothermic is a change in which energy is released in the form of heat, and endothermic is a change in which energy is absorbed in the form of heat.
Examples.
The example of exothermics are fireworks and endothermic melting of ice.
Okay. So basically, exothermic means energy is released. Okay, and endothermic means energy is absorbed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, boys, you tell me, Mohammed Zain. Yes, beta, Mohammed
Yes,
Zain,
sir.
you are raising your hand. Yes, you want to say something?
No, sir. Sir, I have
Okay.
to tell.
Okay, okay. Lower your hand. Yes, everyone, lower your hand. Abu Bakr Uzaifa, Yasser. Okay. Yes, beta. Zain, Mohammed Zain. Will you give me the answer?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are the physical changes and briefly describe them quick.
Sir, physical changes.
Yes, beta.
Physical. In physical change, a considerable change of energy is involved.
Okay, physical change. What are the types of physical changes you have studied this chapter?
Can I tell?
Sure, beta. Beta,
Sir,
Zan, you are
vital.
listen, beta. Zan, you are not giving me answer. I am told this thing to you earlier also that I am also noting your performance. So Juwaya didn't give me any reply. Alia Muhammad didn't give me any reply. Fariha Javed only she and Arisha Arshad. These two. And from boys, Zan, you are also not giving any reply. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm asked the first question, Juwaria, to you. Will you
The
describe
right?
me exactly to you,
Yeah,
Juwaria?
I was not able to make a voice.
So you can ask me, na beta. I am noting your name, everyone's name, who is giving me answer and who is not giving me answer. So now you can tell me.
Sir, the types of. Yes, sir.
Okay, wait, I'll give you another chance. Okay, but yes, Mohammed Zain, will you continue? I will move to another student.
Yes,
Tell me
sir.
first, what is
Sir, may I tell?
beta Mohammed Zain? Will you tell only? Tell me first.
Yes, sir.
What are the physical changes you have learned in this chapter, studied in this
Melting
chapter?
of butter is.
I'm not asking the examples. Tell me about evaporation, boiling, condensation, all these. From page number 28,
Evaporation.
describe page number 28 in your own words. Fast.
Evaporation, the process. Sir, evaporation with substance change liquid state to gaseous state. Gaseous state at any temperature.
At any
At
temperature.
boiling.
At
At
any
boiling point
temperature
is
or
called evaporation.
at any temperature or at boiling point or below boiling point.
Sir, below boiling point.
This thing is important. Now, earlier also I told this thing that at any point is different and in boiling point is different, at below boiling point is different. Okay. Yes, what are the factors which
Yes,
affects?
sir.
Yes, what
So
are the
can I
factors?
tell
Okay, wait. I'm giving you chance to
the
Muhammad Umar.
temperature?
Wait for a second. Yes, Muhammad Umar, please tell me what are the factors which are responsible for.
Sir, for evaporation.
Tell me in your
Sir,
own words.
sir, temperature. If temperature will be increased, so evaporate the rate of the evaporation will increase.
Okay.
Surface area. If there will be a more surface, so that evaporation will be occur fast, and the movement of
listen, how can you say this? If there is an
sir,
example, yes, tell me.
because if we will if at home, if at our home we will dry our clothes, it will not dry, but we will we will put out in a large surface area, so then it will dry.
Okay, okay.
Sir, then the movement of the air, if air will move fast, then the clothes will dry fast.
Okay,
And
you
the,
yes, exactly. You are correct. You see in summer also that when you spread the clothes, okay, when you hang it, it will take less time to dry. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Spread out the things, it will dry quickly. Just tell me what are the two remaining factors. Yes, Yasser Raza, will you give me the answer? What are the remaining factors which affects the rate of evaporation beside the temperature and surface area?
Yes, sir.
Fast.
So please repeat, sir.
But
Your voice is cut.
okay. I'm saying that beside two factors, as told by Mohammed Umar, temperature and the surface area, what are the remaining factors which are responsible for the evaporation?
Sir, evaporation.
Yes.
If we increase the lower down,
I'm not getting a voice.
so it is unmuting and muting automatically.
Yes, Abu Bakr Huzaifa.
Yes, sir.
Beta, will you give me what do you mean
Sir,
by yes,
temperature,
yes, temperature?
moisture for evaporation,
Okay,
the temperature and moisture or
okay.
humidity
Hmm.
and surface area
Beta,
and
moisture
movement of
and
air.
listen, moisture and humidity are same thing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
only there are four factors. Remember this thing. Okay, temperature, moisture,
Temperature, moisture,
and
surface
movement.
area and movement of air.
Okay. So is it clear to you? Yes. Move on to page number 36. Okay, go to page number 36.
Yes, sir.
Everyone opened it.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, listen to me carefully. And burning may or may not be a desirable change. From girls section, who will give the answer of this part? Yes, from the girls section, who will give me the answer of the second? Burning. Uh,
Sir,
Faria Javed. हाँ बेटा. Yes, beta. Please tell me. What burning may or may not be a desirable change. Give a reason. In which case it is desirable and in which case it is not desirable. Yes, beta.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes,
I'm
beta.
not knowing.
Okay. Beta, burning may be desirable. Okay. When you cook the food.
Sir, please can I tell?
हाँ,
Sir, please can I
Can I tell?
Juvaria, you please tell me because I gave you the chance earlier and you didn't respond. Now you can tell me.
Sir, burning may or may not be desirable change because
Malanish, please
sir,
mute yourself. Hold. Okay. Yes, continue, Juvaria.
sir, by burning it can be it will give us warmth so we can in winter so we can get some warmth from burning of woods and sometimes burning of plastics and these fossil fuels harms us.
Okay.
That's why
Sometimes
it is desirable.
burning can be
And
desirable making food also. Yes, right, Umar.
Sir,
Okay. And
yes,
sometimes
sir,
what
for
some
making food, we have to burn it.
very good, mashallah. So similarly, boiling of water is a physical change and boiling of egg is a chemical change. How can you give a reason for that?
Sir,
Sir, can I tell?
when,
sir, can I tell?
sir, can
Uh,
I tell?
yes, beta, continue. You hold yourself. Yes, beta. let me write the name of Joaria. He's already give me the answer earlier. She was not delivered.
Yes, sir. Boiling of water is a physical change because when we boil water at 100 degrees Celsius, so it cools down after some time. But boiling of eggs makes it boiled egg, so we can't change it like before.
Means there is some changes, some new product is
Yes,
formed.
sir. There is some
Okay.
changes. It moved to solid form.
Better try to write down the answers and always whichever subject in a very simple way. Okay, whenever you are giving the answer in a very simple way, then it is very easy to everyone to remember. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Boiling of water is a physical change, as we know that when it cools down, bring it against there is no new formation. Okay, that is why it is a physical change, and boiling of egg is a chemical change because a new thing is formed. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me first.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Listen to me carefully. Okay, let me ask from another student. Okay, Mariam Khan, beta, Mariam Khan. Mariam Khan, beta, are you there? Fast. Zunaira Amil, Ilma Danish. Yes, is I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. From Zunaira and Ilma, who will give me the answer of the third, fourth, and fifth? Beta, you are not responding. Your progress is going down day by day.
Sir.
You're not responding. Yes, beta, continue.
Sir, third one.
Beta, clothes take time in drying during rainy season. Okay, please give me the answer of this.
Sir. Sir.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Yes, beta, I am not getting a voice. You are not audible.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum
Please
Assalam.
repeat your question.
Beta, I am asking you
Clothes
that
take
clothes
time.
takes time in drying during rainy season. What is the reason behind this?
Sir, may I tell?
Sir, this is also
Beta, listen. Beta, listen. I am asking this question to Zunaira. If Zunaira is not giving, Beta, what is this? Who has opened this camera? Huh? Should I inform to the school? Again, giving you several times the same instructions. You are not following it.
Sir, may I tell?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, because of humidity.
Because of humidity, because in rainy season there is lot of humidity, that's why it takes time. Okay, very good, mashallah. Fermentation may or may not be a desirable change. Why? Okay, Zunaira, I got your message. Yes, Anam Sheikh, please tell me fast. Fermentation may not be a desirable change.
Sir, fermentation is an undesirable change.
It is undesirable. Are you sure? Always.
Yes, sir.
Always.
Yes, sir.
Beta, fermentation. Then if fermentation is undesirable, then how will you make dough? How will you make cheese?
Sir, always not.
And you should say like this, na? Because in the question also, it is written that fermentation may or may not be desirable. When we require to make dough, then it is desirable. Okay. And sometimes what happens, the food gets fermented and we want that food to be to be get consumed. So in that situation, it is undesirable.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, beta, please.
So fermentation is a desirable change in the case of a dough is a fermentation of
Dough
a
is dough.
dough.
That's right.
Fermentation of a dough is a desirable change, and a fermentation of dough gives us bread that is soft. And however, fermentation of a cooked food item is a undesirable change.
Okay, very good. Yes, tell me fast actually. Yes, Nihal Khan. Okay. Nihal Khan, tell me the fast respiration is a chemical change. Give a reason for that. Yes, beta, fast. Respiration is a chemical change. Quick, beta, everyone. Yes, Mariam Khan, are you there? Azaz Ahmed. Only 7 students reply me today. Okay. What about the rest of the students? Adnan Jamal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Please tell me question number 5 of section 2. Respiration is a chemical change. Quickly describe it. Your reason why respiration is a chemical change.
Respiration is a chemical change because we
Yes.
cannot change the respiration.
Was
Because it can't be changed.
Sir, may I tell Salama Khalif?
beta, it cannot be changed. Are you sure what you are saying?
Sir,
You
can I
getting
tell
beta, what
Alisha,
you are
sir?
saying? You know what you are saying. It not get
Sir,
changed.
may I tell?
Yes, who will reply me? Azaz Ahmed.
Can I tell?
Yes,
Sir, may I
continue.
tell?
Respiration.
Sir, may I tell Salama Khalif?
May I
May
tell
I
Anam
tell
Ghalib?
Muhammad Umar?
May I tell
Sir, may I
Alisha?
tell?
Salama,
Sir,
you
may
tell
I
me.
tell?
Sir, may I tell Muhammad Abdullah?
Sir, may I tell?
Beta, Salama, you tell me
Sir, may I
fast.
tell?
Beta, I am told Salama to tell me. Because fermentation of dough is a chemical change. Okay.
Sir, respiration is a chemical change.
Sir, can
Beta, Ilma Danish, just you have to reply this thing that fermentation is a desirable or not. Okay, if desirable in that in which situation, and if it is undesirable, that you have to tell the in which situation. Okay. Yes, fermentation is chemical because yes, tell me fast, beta. Okay, Abdullah, continue fast.
Sir, can I tell Muhammad?
Sir, Muhammad Abdullah, can I tell?
Beta, tell me if I'm giving you several times. I told you give me fast reply because I have to complete this exercise, this section. Quick.
Fermentation of dough is a chemical change, and
Beta,
it
not
was.
this one, not this one.
Which one, sir?
Beta, respiration is a chemical change. This I'm asking to you.
The
Sir, I have
respiration is the process of breaking down the food to release carbon dioxide, water, and energy. So,
Okay.
what is chemical change? Chemical change is which
Sir, can I tell?
which substance change. Chemical composition can change, and when we do
Okay, that's right. That's right. Give me a
when we do the process of respiration, the chemical substance was changed, so that was chemical change. That's why.
Sir, I have given my answer in chat box. Sir, may I
Okay.
also
Sir,
tell?
I also have given answer in chat box.
Sir, I
May I also
told.
tell?
I also.
Sir,
Sir, may I
because
also tell?
it breaks down simple substances and it cannot be reversed. That is why chemical change. Okay.
Sir, because new substance is
Sir, my
found like
answer
Beta,
was correct or not?
beta, listen to me. Listen to me. Okay.
Sir, my
Yes.
answer was correct or not?
Who is this? Because respiration
Muhammad
cannot be reversed. Beta, respiration is a chemical change. Okay. And you have written respiration cannot be reversed. Okay. You know that some of the chemical changes are there in which there's a reversible process. Okay, you should say accordingly that in respiration, new things are formed. That's why it is a chemical change. Okay, and
Yes.
quickly, only 10 minutes is left. So quickly tell me H part. Explain the following terms. One student can
Sir,
tell.
can I tell?
Who will tell me the whole thing? The whole, all the parts.
What, sir?
Sir, can I? Sir, can you please read the question?
Okay, beta.
Can I?
Beta, listen. Okay, I'm asking you to Adnan Jamal. Adnan Jamal, tell me fast about sublimation, melting, boiling, H part, section second. Fast, beta.
Sir, can I tell?
Okay,
Sir, may I
Adnan,
tell?
Adnan, you
may I
didn't reply. Okay, I'll.
Sir, may I
Okay, tell me fast.
Sir, may
Sir,
Beta,
please, sir.
Sir, may I?
Sir, may I?
everyone
may
I
I?
raised hand, may, sir.
listen to
I
me.
have
Sir, I
raised.
have raised hand, sir, please.
Okay, Mama Zain, fast, quickly. Okay, time is running out.
Okay,
Yes,
sir. Sir, sublimation, the
Quiet,
process by which a substance
everyone.
change from a
Yes, Zain, you continue and quiet everyone. Yes, continue.
sublimation, the process by which a substance change from its solid state to its gaseous state directly without forming the liquid state in between is called sublimation.
Okay, very good. Next one.
Melting,
Yes, quick.
the process
second
by
one,
which a substance change from its liquid state to its to its liquid state on heating is called melting.
From which state to which state?
Sir,
No, sir,
liquid
yeah,
state.
he is telling
Sir,
wrong.
Beta, from
Solid state to
from
liquid state.
solid state to liquid
And
state.
solid
Okay,
to liquid.
on heating.
solid.
Well, okay.
okay, sir.
Okay, now tell me digestion.
Sir, the process in which food is broken down into a simpler substance that can be absorbed by the body is called digestion.
Okay.
And boiling,
Okay.
the process by which a substance, when
Yes,
heated
Faria, your
to
answer is
its
right.
boiling point, changes from its liquid state
Sir,
to its
it is a
gaseous state
the
is
digestion is a
called
chemical
boiling.
change.
Beta, again, you are
Sir,
shouting. You are a big student, 7th class student, and still. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
digestion is a chemical.
Yes,
You have
Adnan.
said to.
Sir, I can tell.
Yes, beta, you tell me dissolving. Arisha Arshad, you tell me dissolving. What is dissolving then? Arisha Arshad.
Dissolving.
Arisha Arshad, yes.
Yes, sir. Dissolving is the process of mixing a solid liquid or gas uniformly with another substance to form a solution.
Okay, basically it's a process of mixing all the states, either
substance from a
solid
substance.
or liquid or gases, and in order to form a solution, that is called dissolving. Okay. Yes. Tell me, H, distinguish between the following parts. Yes, you will. Everyone can do this part. Physical and chemical
Yes,
change
sir.
already discussed right
Sir,
now.
it's very easy.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, it is very easy.
Okay, beta. So.
Sir, I can do all.
Okay.
Sir, I
Sir,
can
when
do
you
all.
Beta, wait for a second. Yes, Nehal Khan. Okay, now Mariam Khan, you will tell me. You didn't reply me on any question. I already call your name. Yes, Mariam Khan, is I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Beta, please tell me the I part of section second. That is periodic and non-periodic change with along with the example.
Sir, can you please tell the question again?
Beta,
What you asked me?
okay. I am saying that section number 2, I distinguish between, you have to distinguish about periodic and non-periodic changes along with the example.
Okay, sir.
Can I tell?
Beta, wait.
A change that is repeated in a regular interval of time is periodic change, and a change that is not repeated in regular
Beta,
interval of time
don't
is
read
non-periodic.
from the book. Tell me in your old words. Give me some examples, beta.
Sir, of periodic change like day and night.
How it is periodic? Okay, what is the reason for a change to be called as a periodic? Yes, Mariam Khan.
Sir, what?
I am saying that for a change to be happen and it is called as a periodic. Okay, so what is the reason behind that? Why we are saying that that change is periodic? Not getting.
Sir, because
Tell me.
after one time that thing repeats again.
After one time means something get repeated after some time. Okay, then how and when it is called periodic? Listen to everyone that if it takes place after a fixed interval of time, for example, our day and night, okay, they are changed, or our date gets changed after 24 hours. Okay, then every 24 hours, our day gets changed into the new one. Okay, so the time interval is fixed, the duration is fixed. Okay. Okay, yes, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir, your voice is
Yes, sir.
audible.
Okay,
Sir,
okay,
your voice is
okay,
audible.
okay. Jazakallah, listen to
Yes,
me.
sir.
Mariam, beta, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir, but it is very low. I am hardly able to hear you.
Beta,
No, sir, it's
yeah,
clear.
beta, maybe please check your connectivity or your microphones, because everyone is saying, and also I'm here, I'm also seeing that.
No, sir, your voice is low.
Okay, I'm trying again, and please check once on your side. Okay, I'm saying that is it
Yes, sir,
periodic
now
means
it's
that
fine.
is repeated after a fixed interval of time, and for a non-periodic change as raining, it occurs any time. Okay, uh, is it clear? Raining, thundering, it occurs at any time. There is no fixed time for that, so it is considered as a non-periodic change. Okay, so
Yes.
now move to question number J, short answers question. Okay, yes. What are the essential conditions required for the process of rusting to be happen? Yes, Ariba Khan, please tell me quickly. Ariba Khan, will you there? Yes, beta, Ariba Khan, don't see from the book, beta. You have to revise on daily basis all these things. Beta, you are taking too much time, Ariba. Is it very easy, beta? Only two conditions are required for the process of rusting to be happen. That is moisture and
Yes.
second, yes, yes. Is it clear? Moisture and oxygen. Air and moisture, they are two things. Either you can write air or oxygen, or you can write moisture or water. Both are same things. Okay. Is yes clear to
Okay.
everyone?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, that's very nice. Uh, now move.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, mashallah. Now move to question number. I think 8. This is also being discussed in the class right now. That what
Okay.
are the
Sir,
factors
I
that
have done all the answers.
very good, mashallah. That shows that your how much you are curious about this thing. Okay. Basically, now, beta, we have to move to J section, question number 8. What are the factors that affects the rate of evaporation? It is already been discussed right now. Okay, there are 4 factors which are responsible. That is speed of air. Okay, moisture content. That is movement of air, moisture content, surface area, and temperature. So beta, in assignment, please listen to everyone. In assignment, you have to complete all the questions till page 38. Is it clear? Oh, sorry, 37. Only 37.
Clear.
Only 37 pages you have to complete and submit it to me.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Today's, is it clear? Is any query? Everything is clear to you?